Hi everyone, my name is Nora Kasanda and I'm a student at Chalimbana University. I'm pursuing a degree in gender studies and psychology. So I'm here to enlighten everyone on anxiety disorders. So firstly, we're going to look at anxiety itself. So anxiety is a feeling. So anxiety is a normal feeling that every person experiences, and it is triggered by various things. It can be maybe loss of money, loss of a loved one, or just worrying about normal things, finances, school, anything. So anxiety only turns into a disorder if it becomes persistent and excessive. So firstly, we're going to understand these two words. Firstly, we have excessive and then we have persistent. So what do we mean by excessive? Excessive, it just means something happening or you doing something too much than normal, too much than you are supposed to do it. That is excessive. And then persistent, it means it's continuous. It's something that is now considered normal to you and a normal routine. So these two words make up persistent anxiety disorders. Firstly, excessive part, and you also have to look at the persistent part. So if you have excessive worrying and the worrying is persistent, then you might likely be suffering from anxiety disorder. So now we are going to look into how we can manage anxiety disorders. So how can you manage anxiety disorders? So you can manage anxiety disorders by maybe finding small activities or rather exercises that help you calm your nerves, that help you clear your mind and clear your thought processes. Okay, so maybe you can venture into breathing exercises, you can venture into finding professional help, therapists. They can help you with CBT, that's cognitive behavioral therapy. And then we can also look at how you can change your environment, how you can make your environment suitable for you to be helped in a certain way. The environment plays a very crucial role in how one manages anxiety. So if you're in a toxic environment, you can't really manage anxiety disorder, and it becomes excessive for you because you're in a toxic environment. So firstly, you need to find yourself in an environment that is not toxic, or that's not an environment that's not adding to your worries or not adding to your panics. Okay, so from there on how you can manage your anxiety, we can also look at the dangers. Okay, so in as much as it's okay for you to worry about certain things, or it's okay for you to think about certain things in a certain way, especially when you're working towards something and something doesn't go as you are planning it. It's normal for you to panic, it's normal for you to have anxiety, it's normal. But then when you are prone, or you become a victim to your own feelings, of worry or fear, it disturbs your mental health. First of all, it might lead to depression, it might lead to bipolar disorder, it might lead to a lot of negative things that you wouldn't really want to experience. So all these things that I've talked about can help you manage your anxiety and know when you are supposed to seek for professional help. Professional help is very, very important and plays a very crucial role in things that have to do with your mental health. Mental health is important, mental health is valuable, and you're not supposed to overlook things that endanger your mental health. Thank you for watching.